Let's eat our dinner, guys. Chicken nuggets with ranch. Here we go. Nuggets time. Ito kay husband. With ranch in it. Dito pa naman. So, here we go. Pick up one. Let's eat this one, guys, with ranch. Ranch. Want that? Yum, yum.